How to tune car in Need for Speed. If you want your car to accelerate fast or drift smoother, here is how to tune your car in Need for Speed on your phone. Open your Need for Speed application. From the main menu, you have to tap onto the Mode Shop. Then select your desired car that needs to be tuned up. Tap Garage, then select the car you want to tune. In this interface, you can see many options. There, you can see the performance parts like engine, nitro, and gearbox. Use the slider to balance top speed, acceleration grip, and nitro. Every car reacts differently, so test drive feels best. Just choose one of the motors, transmission, ECU, turbos, and give an option available in the screen, and you will be all tuned up for the car. After tuning, jump into a quick race to see how it handles. Adjust again, it needs better control or power. When it feels perfect, tap save. Your car is now customly tuned and track ready. And that's how you tune your car in Need for Speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.